Is it possible to sneeze with your eyes open? Think about the last time you sneezed. Did your eyes stay open or did they slam shut instantly? Most people don't even notice it happening. It's automatic. When a sneeze builds up, your brain sends a powerful signal through your nervous system that makes several muscles react at once, including the ones controlling your eyelids. In a fraction of a second, your eyes close right before the sneeze explodes out. Some people believe your eyes close to protect them from the pressure of the sneeze. Others say it's just a reflex your brain triggers without thinking. But here's the interesting part. Technically, you can force your eyes open during a sneeze, but your body really doesn't want you to. The reflex is so strong that most people fail every time. So is it possible to sneeze with your eyes open? Technically, yes, but your brain will try everything to stop you.